Hey there fellow traders, if you've been feeling overwhelmed by the myriad of indicators out there and aren't sure which one can help you build a winning strategy, you've come to the right place. Today, we're excited to share a simple yet powerful strategy that utilizes two free indicators, and we'll be using Bitcoin chart with a 5-minute time frame to demonstrate. But remember, this strategy is versatile and can be applied to any chart you choose. Ready to dive in? Alright, our first step is to add the SSL Channel Indicator created by the amazing Ms. Tricky to our TradingView chart. Once it's added, I'll walk you through customizing the settings to ensure that you're getting the most accurate signals possible. The SSL Channel Indicator is a powerful tool for identifying market trends, and the first step in using it effectively is to understand how it can help you determine the balance of power between buyers and sellers. So, if the price candles form above the channel, it suggests that buyers are in control, whereas if the candles form below the channel, sellers are dominant. This information is crucial because it can help you avoid trading against the current market trend. For instance, if the trend is downward, you should refrain from taking buy signals. And if the trend is upward, you should ignore sell signals. Incorporating this strategy into your trading plan can significantly reduce the number of losing trades, potentially boosting your overall profitability. Therefore, make sure to pay close attention to the placement of the price candles in relation to the channel, as it can be a valuable indicator of market momentum. Now, before you start trading with the SSL Channel Indicator, let's explore how we can enhance this strategy even further. We'll be introducing the Money Flow Index Indicator, which can serve as a valuable filter to increase the profitability of your trades. To optimize the settings, we're making some adjustments to ensure that we're getting the most out of this tool. By doing this, we can use the zero level line in Money Flow Index Indicator to help us identify the signals with the highest potential for profit. If the MFI line is above zero level, it suggests that buy signals have high potential. While if the MFI is below the zero level, sell signals are more likely to yield profits. Therefore, incorporating this indicator into your strategy can help you make more informed trading decisions and potentially boost your earnings. Now we have a solid understanding of the indicators and how to optimize their settings, so we can delve into the details of trading method that this strategy offers. Focusing on sell trades for now, let's walk through the key steps. First and foremost, we want to ensure that the price candles are positioned below the SSL channel. Next, we'll be on the look for a sell signal to be generated. However, we're not done yet. It's essential to confirm the signal using the MFI indicator. So once all three of these conditions are met, we can confidently enter a sell trade. And to effectively manage the trade, it's crucial to set a stop loss, which can be determined by looking at the recent swing high. Additionally, to maximize potential profits, consider using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 when setting your target for exiting the trade. Now let's talk about the guidelines for executing a buy trade within this strategy. The first thing you want to look for is the position of the price candles in relation to the SSL channel. If they're above the channel, that's a good sign. Then pay attention to the generation of a buy signal. But don't jump in right away. You want to wait for confirmation from the MFI indicator before entering the trade. Once all these elements align, you can confidently make your move and enter a buy trade. After that, it's important to manage your trade wisely. Setting a stop loss is a crucial step, and a helpful tip is to use the recent swing low as a reference. Additionally, consider using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 when setting your profit target, as this can be a useful strategy for potentially exiting the trade with a nice profit. So you're probably wondering how does a strategy perform in the wild, right? Well, we decided to put it in the test on the Bitcoin chart using a 5-minute time frame, and let me tell you, the results were pretty impressive. After conducting over 100 trades, the strategy showed an impressive win rate of around 77%, and the total profit gain was a whopping 187% over the course of 13 weeks. Now, that's what I call precision trading at its finest. And as we wrap up this video, I encourage you to check out this recommended video on the screen for some valuable insight on how to potentially increase your profits in trading. Don't miss out on this opportunity to further enhance your trading skills and take your profits to the next level.